Application development, AI first, by mindset, method, and design. Impelsys is powering the next leap in digital maturity, helping enterprises build adaptive, intelligent applications from the ground up.
We help global organizations modernize at scale, backed by our 24-plus years of experience, 100-plus apps, and 50-plus white-labeled portals. And it shows every solution we build drives real results, 20% greater efficiency, and a 10% year-on-year boost in productivity. Let's see how it all comes together, starting with our core application services. We design and build AI-powered cloud-native applications with intuitive UX, scalable architectures, and automation built into every layer. Beyond development, we keep systems always on with 24/7 maintenance, seamless integration, and modernization services powered by AIOps and DevSecOps. How do we do it? By designing, building, and modernizing applications that bring together cloud-native architectures, automation, and human insight, creating systems that evolve with your business. Now, let's see how this comes to life across different industries. Starting with publishing, we're helping organizations modernize legacy workflows, from cloud-native CMS upgrades to metadata enrichment, semantic search, and build once, deploy anywhere solutions. Publishers move from print to platform faster than ever. Moving on to education, we transform legacy platforms into mobile-first, microservices-based systems, creating adaptive, accessible learning. From smart student portals to learning platforms that drive engagement, we're helping institutions deliver measurable outcomes. In healthcare, we build robust, scalable applications that strengthen clinical learning and streamline operations, re-architecting training platforms and point-of-care apps to deliver real-time insights and better outcomes. Our services cover the full application lifecycle across industries. We help enterprises build resilient digital ecosystems through AIOps, cloud migration, and DevSecOps automation. And because we work with leading technology partners, every solution we deliver is future-proof and secure. We deliver measurable results, helping clients cut costs, enhance performance, and accelerate innovation, backed by agile frameworks and a skilled talent pool. For us, modernization isn't just about upgrading systems. It means empowering businesses to move with purpose, speed, and confidence, with an approach that is AI first by mindset, method, and design. From legacy to leading edge, transform your digital ecosystems with us.